We hear it everywhere. The world is going green. Solar panels, wind farms, electric cars, the future looks renewable. But here's the twist. Despite record growth in clean energy, the global energy transition is actually slowing down. Why? Let's break it down. Renewables are booming. In 2024 and 2025, the world installed more solar panels and wind turbines than ever before. Some countries are hitting 40 to 50% renewable electricity on certain days. Electric cars are selling in the millions, and investments in green hydrogen, batteries, and grid storage are climbing. Here's the problem. Global demand for energy keeps rising faster than renewables can scale. Billions of people are still moving into the middle class, which means more electricity, more cars, more air conditioners. Many economies, especially in Asia, are still building coal and gas plants to keep up. And in some regions, grid infrastructure can't handle the new surge of wind and solar. So even with rapid growth, fossil fuels still supply about 80% of global energy. If the world doesn't speed up, we risk missing key climate targets. That means more severe weather impacts, rising costs for disaster recovery, harder transitions later as industries scramble to adapt. But it's not all bad news. Slowing doesn't mean stopping. It means the transition needs a push. Experts say we need massive investment in grids to handle variable renewables, cheaper, long-term storage to balance day-night and seasonal power, faster permitting for wind and solar farms, and yes, policy pressure to phase out coal and oil more aggressively. So while solar and wind are setting records, the global energy shift is still behind schedule. The real question is, can governments, companies, and all of us push hard enough to tip the balance? Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.